What's up? Today is a Thursday and I will be meeting my junior high school friends later. I just finished my makeup and right now, get ready with me as I put on my jewelry. So, just a little fact. I have 9 friends. Most of them are out of town and I'm the only one living here in Manila. We're already in college. But yeah, at least we had time to meet today. We'll be meeting in UP Diliman. Still indecisive about the cafe, but yeah, I'll see you later. So I have to go now and I'll be right back when I arrive in UP Diliman. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa cafe here in UP Diliman. I've actually ordered my coffee na. Sana nandun na sila, pero if wala pa, edi let's wait for them. Here we are entering. Mas masarap to ah. Kaya said, nag-isa nga lang ako. Wala pang tao. So, let's wait for them na lang. Well, CJ is from Bohol pa. So, mamaya, I'll ask him kung masarap ba talaga yung mga kalamay doon. Si Ace naman malapit lang from Caloocan. You know what? I'll ask him later. Kasi diba sa news, marami tayo nababalita ang taga-Caloocan ng mga nananaksak. So I'll ask him about that. If that really is true. Luis is from Rizal, as usual. So there's nothing much about it. Maybe I'll ask him na lang about tourist spots and the like. Jen is the farthest. She's from Ilocos. So parang kay Luis, tatanay ko lang kung anong magandang spots doon. Si Luis, she's coming from Pampanga. From what I've heard, mas masarap yung sisig doon. So, let's ask her na lang. Anika, my best friend. I think she's the first one who's gonna arrive. So, yeah, I'll just wait. Oh my God! Like I said, sabi ko sa inyo si Anika unang darating.
Hi guys! Anong nagawa mo?
Nag-vlog ako since, alam mo na, college na tayo. So, let's document the memories, ganyan. So, ito yung first ever vlog ko.
Yeah, that's good na nag-vlog na si Bea. So, hi guys!
So, ayun, antayin na lang natin yung mga susunod. Okay, so, ngayon, kompleto na kami after several minutes of waiting. So, inuubos ko lang din yung coffee ko and then mag-lunch kami later in a while. So, guys, hi kayo sa vlog! Hi guys! Nasa UPTC na kami and right now we're grabbing lunch. So, hi kayo guys!
So now, I'll be asking my friends about their multicultural communication experiences with other people. Let's start first with CJ, na galing Bohol. So CJ, how's your flight?
Okay na. Jet lag pero good lang.
Totoo daw bang pag pinicturean mo yung mga tertiaries na mamatay sila agad?
Oo, mabilis na sila ma-depress. Picturean.
Alright.
Ay, mata nila luwa.
Nakita ka na ng tarsier.
Kapatid ko tarsier.
Alright. So, now, sunod naman si Ace. Nasarap na sarap sa pasta niya. Tell us about your food, Ace.
Ay, vlog. Ayun, sobrang sarap dito. Lalo na yung chicken. Tignan buto na.
So, di ba galing ka pa ng Caloocan? Totoo bang marami daw nananaksak doon?
Oo, lalo na pag galit ako. De, joke lang guys. Sa Caloocan guys, marami nang mababait na tao. Isa na ako ron. Shoutout sa mga taga-Caloocan dyan.
Okay, now, next naman si Luis. Pero since di natin siya abot, pupuntahan natin siya. So, kumusta ang biyahe from Pampanga?
Okay laman. Ayos laman yung biyahe.
Kumusta raw mga sisig doon? Masarap ba?
Wow! I think, dapat mo subukan king Aling Lusings. Pakyatang San Fernando, Pampanga.
Okay. So next we have Adriel and Jet. Since di rin natin sila abot, we're gonna adjust. So now, kumusta ang biyahe? San Mateo, Rizal?
Napaka-traffic.
Any suggestions for tourist spots?
Near San Mateo, I would suggest Timberland.
Maganda ba doon?
Yes, it's overlooking.
How about you, Jen? Ilang oras ang biyahe from Ilocos papunta dito?
Matagal eh. Siguro naka 12 hours din kami kasi by car. Sa daming stopover.
Grabe, ang tagal pala. Anong suggestions mo para may mapuntahan kami sa Ilocos?
Ay, madami dong magaganda. Recommend ko siguro visit kayo sa White Beach. Okay din doon. Tsaka sa Bangi. Napintas dyan.
Okay. And last but not the least, our couple friends. We have Neo and Chloe. All the way from
Australia.
Oh my god, that's so far, bro. Yan, this is Neo and this is Chloe. How are you guys?
Doing great.
How about you, Chloe?
Just fine.
Okay, how many hours yung flight nyo from?
Australia to the Philippines.
Yeah.
60 hours.
Oh my gosh, that's a long way. Now, how would you differentiate the culture in Australia dito sa Philippines, Chloe?
Well, for me, despite being in Australia for so long, the Philippines still feels like home. And although the culture seems different, but here in the Philippines is more fun and more harmonious, I think.
So that's all, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, kami naman ni Anika as BFFs. All the way from Bulacan, kumusta ang biyahe mo?
Alam mo naman, Bulacan, traffic dyan, sobra. Mga nakaloop dyan. What's up, guys?
May tubig ba sa inyo?
No comment, guys. No comment po.
Galing din ang Bulacan at walang tubig sa amin. Okay, for those who's gonna ask, province ko is Davao and I speak Bisaya as well. Yung isa naming friend, he's not here, but he also speaks Bisaya. We're just gonna call him right now. So, yun. Guys, tawagan nyo nga si Oshas. Sumagot na ba? OMG! Hi, Oshas! Sayang wala ka dito.
Gani, daghan man good need asikasuhin diri. As much as I wanted to be with you ngayong reunion natin. Sorry talaga. Pero promise, sa next gala.
So, Oshas, kamusta naman dyan sa Davao?
Okay ra. Busy pero nagagawa ko naman mag-enjoy kahit papaano. Daghang manglami nga pagkaon kay Murang. VIP man ko diri.
Gosh, pasalubong namin na pagbalik mo dito, padala mo kami ng durian. Kahit na di ako makain nun.
Oo, Day. Promise.
Oh, siya. Mag-ingat ka na lang. Tapos, ayun, balitaan mo kami kapag babalik ka na dito, ha?
Sige. Mabawi ko sa inyo, guys. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ayun, guys. Finally, kakain na ako. Tapos, ito yung pagkain ko.